Which class are you in? What do you like? What do you like?
I like
What animals do you like? What animals do you like? I like elephants. I like monkeys. What don't you like? I don't like tigers. Okay, Richard. What's this?
It's a snake.
Is it long or short?
Long.
It's
Long.
what color is it? What color is the snake?
It's brown.
It's brown. Alright. Do you like snakes? Do you like snakes? No, I don't. What's this?
It's a parrot.
Can it fly?
Yes.
It can. Yes, it can. What animal is this? What animal is this?
It's a giraffe.
Yeah, it's a giraffe. Is it tall or short?
It's a troll.
It's tall. Do you like giraffes?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. What do you see in the picture? I see
I see
two
two elephants.
elephants. What color are they? What color are they? Color. They are black or gray? Maybe gray? Maybe they are gray? Yes, they are gray. Is this elephant small? Is this elephant small?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Is this elephant big?
Yes.
Okay. What animal is this? It's a. Can you spell tiger?
T-I-G-E-R.
Very good. Take time. Do you like tigers? Do you like tigers? No, I don't. What animal is this? What animal is this? Is it big or small? It's small. Do monkeys like bananas? Yes, they do. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture?
I see two elephants.
Yes, two elephants,
Monkey.
two monkeys,
Four birds.
four birds,
One parrot.
parrot,
Two snakes.
two snakes,
One tiger. One crocodile.
and two
And two people.
people. How many trees do you see? How many trees?
I see three trees.
Are they in the zoo? Are they in the zoo?
Yes.
Yes, they
Yes, they
are.
are.
What has she got? She has got long, curly, brown hair. What has she got? She has got got blue eyes? Has she got blue eyes? Yes, she has. What has she got? What has she got? She has got long,
straight,
yes, long, straight, black.
black hair.
What has she got? She has
soft,
long,
curly hair.
long, curly,
Long curly hair.
brown hair. What has she got? What shape is her face? What shape is her face? She
Has got
and
oval
an oval face. Has she got green eyes? Has she got green eyes? No, she hasn't.
She hasn't got blue eyes.
Okay, what has she got? She has got
oval face.
oval? No. Round face. What's this?
Is a pear.
How do you spell pear? How do you spell? P E A. Yes. What's this? Is it oval or round? Oval or round? Round. Good job. What are these? They are drinks. What is your favorite drink? Pepsi. What's this? Do you like sandwiches? What's this? Do you like bananas? Is it brown? No, it isn't. It's yellow. What are these? Biscuits. Do you like biscuits? What are these? They are grapes. So, do you want to describe your lunchbox or your friend? Lunchbox, okay. I have got an apple, a sandwich, and grape juice. Do you like your lunchbox? Yes, I do. Have you got a banana? Have you got a banana? No, I haven't. Have you got biscuits? Have you got biscuits? Have you got an